What's up, humans? So, we're about to start the project for Sped by Me, and the domain that we're going to build everything on is spedbyme.com. But I bought this $6 homepage. It's a single page HTML CSS template. I thought it's a very, very, very good um, point to begin this project. So this is what it looks like. We're going to download the HTML CSS and actually get it set up on the server and begin making adjustments. And during this process, you're going to learn about Dreamweaver. And I'm going to show what Dreamweaver is actually all about as a full-blown IDE, integrated development environment with tons of tools to make a development project a breeze. It's not just this little simple visual builder that a lot of developers would lead you to believe. And so we're going to be using it. You're going to be exposed to all of the tools during the course of the project, and we're going to really do some cool stuff. So this is the intro. Go ahead and move on to the next video to start the project.